Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our fork model. This one's going to be pretty simple, so should be quick. Go ahead and hold right click, assign a new material, and find AI standard surface. Then you're going to make it the color of your fork, so I'm going to make mine typical silver, and then I'm going to up the metalness. And then let's click on Arnold and grab a sky dome light. And then let's click on poly modeling and grab a plane. And then click R. I'm just going to scale that plane up and then hold right click. We're going to assign a new material to that. And then click on AI standard surface. And I'm going to change this. If you click on this checker here, I usually pick the checker texture. And then click on Arnold and render. All right, let's see how that's turning out. Looking pretty good. If you want to edit the texture, go ahead and click on the object and scroll all the way to the right until you find the texture that we just put on. You can edit a couple things in here. I would keep metalness pretty high up if you want it to look like a metal spoon. Roughness right here, I would keep pretty low. The higher it is, the less reflective it is. And then you can kind of edit some other things. Some of them are kind of cool for like shadows and things like that. So yeah, that's kind of about it for this tutorial. You can see your final renders coming out through there. You can see it's super reflective, which is great. But yeah, Maya does pretty good metal textures, so I usually rely on Maya for metal. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. But that is it for this tutorial, so I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!